Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and now scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. As you can see on the fourth position, we've got date and time, so let's enter. And here we've got some options which we can customize. As you can see, we do not have separate options for the date, time and the time zone. It is because we are using the automatic date, time and time zone. They are a network provided. So first of all, we have to turn off this option. And as you can see right now, we've got the date, time, which we can set. So let's begin with the date. As you can see right now, just by swiping, you can change the date. Tap on OK. It will be immediately applied, of course, and the same situation with the time. Just by swiping, pick the time you want to use. Tap on OK. And the same situation, as you can see, it is also visible on the status bar. What's more, we've got the time zones, so let's tap on it, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. So basically, we can pick, for example, this one. Just find yours and tap on it, and of course be aware that if you will change the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It's quite normal. Here you've got 24-hour format. Of course you can turn it off in order to use 12-hour format. It's of course up to you. And here you've got the option dual clocks, and again it is your decision if you want to use it, because you will be able to set two different options, two different places from which your device will take the hours. So it's up to you. You can keep it turned on, or you can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. And basically this is the whole manual customization of date and time. Of course you can get back to all previous settings. Just tap on this option to set the date, time and time zone automatically, and here to use 24-hour time. So basically that's all. This is how to change the date and time in your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.